47.
47.
47.
Reisevorbereitungen.
Preparing a trip.
Preparing a trip.
Du musst unseren Koffer packen.
You have to pack our suitcase.
You have to pack our suitcase.
Du darfst nichts vergessen.
Don't forget anything.
Don't forget anything.
Du brauchst einen großen Koffer.
You need a big suitcase.
You need a big suitcase.
Vergiss nicht den Reisepass.
Don't forget your passport.
Don't forget your passport.
Vergiss nicht das Flugticket.
Don't forget your ticket.
Don't forget your ticket.
Vergiss nicht die Reisecheques.
Don't forget your traveler's checks.
Don't forget your traveler's checks.
Nimm Sonnencreme mit.
Take some suntan lotion with you.
Take some suntan lotion with you.
Nimm die Sonnenbrille mit.
Take the sunglasses with you.
Take the sunglasses with you.
Nimm den Sonnenhut mit.
Take the sun hat with you.
Take the sun hat with you.
Willst du eine Straßenkarte mitnehmen?
Do you want to take a road map?
Do you want to take a road map?
Willst du einen Reiseführer mitnehmen?
Do you want to take a travel guide?
Do you want to take a travel guide?
Willst du einen Regenschirm mitnehmen?
Do you want to take an umbrella?
Do you want to take an umbrella?
Denk an die Hosen, die Hemden, die Socken.
Remember to take pants, shirts, and socks.
Remember to take pants, shirts, and socks.
Denk an die Krawatten, die Gürtel, die Sakkos.
Remember to take ties, belts, and sports jackets.
Remember to take ties, belts, and sports jackets.
Denk an die Schlafanzüge, die Nachthemden und die T-Shirts.
Remember to take pyjamas, nightgowns, and t-shirts.
Remember to take pyjamas, nightgowns, and t-shirts.
Du brauchst Schuhe, Sandalen und Stiefel.
You need shoes, sandals, and boots.
You need shoes, sandals, and boots.
Du brauchst Taschentücher, Seife und eine Nagelschere.
You need handkerchiefs, soap, and a nail clipper.
You need handkerchiefs, soap, and a nail clipper.
Du brauchst einen Kamm, eine Zahnbürste und Zahnpasta.
You need a comb, a toothbrush, and toothpaste.
You need a comb, a toothbrush, and toothpaste.